Hey guys, my name is Elijah and in this tutorial I will show you how to create an account on Wikipedia. First, go to n.wikipedia.org and here click on Create Account in the top right corner. This will take you to Create Account page and here simply enter your username. So I will do it real fast. Now enter your password. So choose a password that you want to use for your Wikipedia account. As you can see, my username will be adjusted to this because there are technical restrictions, so I will adjust it like so. Now you simply confirm the password that you have typed before and then enter your email address that you want to use with your Wikipedia account. Once you've done all of that, just click on Create Your Account. As you can see, I can look for an email from us to verify your address. So now go to your email, and on your email you should be able to see something like this. So confirmation email, click on Confirm Your Email, and this will open up another tab of Wikipedia, and that means that you are basically created your account successfully. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye.